Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos in 2026 step by step. If your library contains duplicate pictures that are taking up storage space, here's how you can find and remove them. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone and sign into your Google account if you have not already. Next, browse through your photo library or use the search tab to locate photos that appear more than once. Keep in mind that Google Photos doesn't currently include a built-in tool that automatically finds and removes duplicate photos. If you find duplicate images, tap and hold one of the copies to select it. Continue selecting any additional duplicate photos that you want to remove, making sure you keep the version you want to save. After selecting the duplicates, tap the trash icon and confirm the deletion. The selected photos will be moved to the bin or trash where they'll remain for a limited time before being permanently deleted. If you want to free up storage immediately, open the bin or trash folder and permanently delete the duplicate photos from there. Before deleting anything, double-check each photo to avoid removing the only copy of an important image. And that's it. That's how you can duplicate photos in Google Photos in 2026 step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.